Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb mode automatically on Google Chat for your PC using the latest update. This feature is perfect if you want to stay focused without interruptions from chat notifications during specific times. First, open your favorite web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner and click on the grid icon made up of 9 dots right next to your profile photo. This will open the Google Apps menu. From the list of apps that appears, find and click on Chat. This will open Google Chat in a new tab or window. Now, to customize your notifications, find the small gear icon located in the top right corner of the chat window. Click on this icon to open your Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, select Notifications. This section controls how and when you get notified about messages. Here's the important part. Under Notifications, you'll see an option to choose a period for your Do Not Disturb mode. Simply pick the time frame during which you want Google Chat to automatically stop sending you notifications. Once you select your preferred period, your Do Not Disturb status will activate automatically during those hours. This means you won't be disturbed by chat messages or alerts while focusing on your work, meetings, or even when you just want some quiet time. This update is a great way to help manage your time better, reduce distractions, and keep your workflow smooth without manually switching on Do Not Disturb every day. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can take control of your Google Chat notifications and enjoy uninterrupted periods throughout your day. Give it a try and see how much more productive and relaxed you can be. Thanks for watching.